With there not being much really around here, they can come here, you know that they're safe, they can play outside. You know, it's just absolutely brilliant.
I think if we were running isolated sports, we would struggle to get the people to support that. We offer rugby, football, we've got a squash court, we've got 4 tennis courts, we've got a bowling green.
It's really great that both my children can come here and play both football and rugby, and they just absolutely love it.
So the big benefit of being organised as a multi-sports club is that we get to pool our resources. Being that we've got a number of people involved in more than one sport on a day-to-day basis, they're happy to get stuck in with lots of things, and they then see the bigger picture, which enables us to keep driving it forward.
This club is a unique club because you have 2 major sports working collaboratively and working positively together for the benefit of both sports. They share workforce and they share the income generation and they share that responsibility, which is a really important aspect because the operation of a sports club is a difficult task, and by sharing that responsibility across 2 clubs is a really positive aspect to the way that this club's operated.
I really enjoy coming to the club and making lots of new friends.
It's the only really location that adults and kids alike have to go to play sport. It really is a hub for people to come to.
We really see the future being clubs working collaboratively. You know, it doesn't need to be football and rugby, it can be other sports. We would really like to see more clubs sort of taking on learnings from South Gower Sports Club.
We're going to continue to reinvest the money we make into the facilities to make sure that it's not deteriorating and that we're doing everything we can to improve it. People like coming here, they want to come here, and we hope they continue to do so.